Have you ever felt completely exhausted, carrying burdens that feel way too heavy, like no one sees or understands your struggle? What if I told you there's a way to step off that treadmill of stress and fear, and it's not just wishful thinking? The truth is, Psalm 23 reveals a shepherd who doesn't just watch over you from afar. He walks right beside you, guiding every step, restoring your soul, and preparing blessings you didn't even imagine. Stick around, because today we'll dive deep into these chapters, unpacking wisdom that can change how you face life, even in your darkest valleys. By the end, you'll see that peace, confidence, and hope aren't just ideals, they're promises waiting for you to embrace. Then, let's read the chapter together. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures, He leads me beside quiet waters, He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right paths for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Let's say a quick prayer to thank the Lord for His mercy. Hey God, thank you for walking with me through Psalm 23 today. I'm grateful for the way you show yourself as my shepherd, guiding, restoring, and blessing me even when life feels heavy. Please help me not just to understand these truths, but to live them every day, in my work, my relationships, and the little choices I make. Remind me to trust your guidance, lean into your rest, and share your goodness with others. Keep me mindful of your presence, Lord, and let this knowledge shape how I walk through every valley. Amen. Now that we've walked through Psalm 23, ask yourself, are you truly letting this shepherd guide your life, or are you still trying to do it all alone? Imagine facing challenges with the confidence that goodness and loving kindness are chasing you every single day. What would change if you started reading these chapters daily, reflecting on them, and applying their wisdom in practical ways, like creating moments of rest, gratitude, and intentional reflection? Don't just watch this video and move on. Make a choice today to embrace God's guidance in abundance. And while you're here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more insights that can transform your walk with Him. And, as always, don't forget to check the last video and learn more about the scriptures.